Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's video, I'll try to compare the 108 megapixel lens from the Mi10i versus the 108 megapixel from the Mi11. As you can see, friends, so both phones they're having the 108 megapixel lens, but the Mi11 has got the premium and high-end 108 megapixel, which you can see here, slightly bigger sensor, and whereas the Mi10i has got the mid-range segment 108 megapixel lens. So let's see, friends, what will be the difference between both the phones in terms of the clarity and the zooming capabilities. So all those details I'll try to cover in this complete video. So this video is only dedicated for the 108 megapixel capturing images only. So I won't compare any night mode or no wide angle lens or nothing. So I'll just compare only the 108 megapixel high-end camera lens. So let's see, friends, how much difference will it be there. Even I'll try to show you the image size. So what is the image size in which phone is a big size, and all those things I'll try to cover in this complete video. So make sure to check the links in description, friends, for this kind of live wallpapers what I'm using in this video, friends, and don't forget to check the links in description for the playlist for each and every smartphone as well. So let's get started, friends. First thing is let me try to quickly cover the specifications of the camera sensor. So let me try to show you the screenshot which I have taken here. The sensor in the Mi10i uses the Samsung sensor, as you can see here, and whereas the Mi11 uses the another I think Samsung Bright sensor, so it says KHMX, and where is the Mi10i as the KHM2. So as you can see, there is a quick difference between the sensors, and you can see the type this aperture as well. So 1.85 and whereas a 1.7 in this Mi10i device. So as you can see here, so these are the few details in comparison between both the smartphones. If you want, you can take a look at this 108 megapixel sensors. So let's see, friends, on the paper the Mi11 looks a little bit kind of advantage in terms of taking the 108 megapixel lens using the 108 megapixel shots. So let me try to quickly compare the side-by-side results as well. So I've taken the few shots using the 108 megapixel lens in both the smartphones. Today I started to take so many shots. So as you can see, friends, this is the 108 megapixel shot which I have taken on the top on the Mi11, and the bottom one is the Mi10i device. So let's see, friends, which phone will be having the more zooming capabilities. And by looking at this image, you will be definitely noticing one thing is that the Mi11 has got the more lighting effect in the shadows as well. So if you observe in this Mi10i device, you can see some kind of shadow is going on. It's not so bright. So that is the first minute you will definitely be attracted to this Mi11 in terms of the brightness. So let me try to quickly increase. So you can see the phone brightness is also really high. I'm not decreasing the brightness to make the quality look bad, but these are actual facts. As you can see here, friends, in terms of the quality, you can compare the shadow and everything here, as you can see. And now let me try to focus on this small bird. So if you notice or not, there's a small bird sitting here. So let me try to focus just on that small bird, as you can see. So you won't be able to zoom in more. So let me try to zoom in, same thing in the Mi10i device. So now try to compare, friends, as you can see, between both the phones. So you can see the Mi11 has got little bit kind of clarity in terms of the subjects. You can see this pipe as well, so which has got little bit kind of clarity, and even the background sky looks kind of really good in this Mi11 device. So that is what I observed. Even the Mi10i, even though it is a mid-range segment mobile phone, but still it was pretty close to this Mi11, I would say, definitely. So both will be able to zoom at the same range only. So there is no advantage in either of the phones in terms of the extra zooming, but they're having the same advantage. Same thing is happening here. You cannot zoom more into the subject. So now let me try to show you the image size. You can see image size of 15 MB in this Mi10i device, and this Mi11 has got a 17 MB of size. You can clearly see here, friends. So slightly more size on this Mi11 device in terms of the image size. So that is what I did notice here in this kind of comparison. So let me try to quickly show you another shot which I have taken. So this is another fridge shot which I have taken. So I thought of comparing with this kind of text which is written in on the fridge. So let me try to zoom in as much as I can. As you can see, both phones I will be able to zoom not more than this. If you notice, the Mi11 looks kind of really good in terms of the high saturated colors and really close to the subject. So that is what I did feel in the Mi11. And one more thing is that the Mi10i has got the IPS LCD panel display. So you may sometimes you'll be getting attracted to this Super AMOLED panel display which is present in the Mi11. Definitely the display also matters while seeing this kind of images when you compare side by side. So if you compare this IPS and AMOLED panel, definitely you will get attracted to the AMOLED panels most of the time. But overall, let's concentrate on the clarity and details, which phone gives you the best. But in this kind of scenario, both phones are doing kind of same job if you keep the saturated colors aside. So in terms of the text detail and clarity, both phones are kind of same. As I said, even though the Mi11 and Mi10i is kind of mid-range segment mobile phone, but still it was able to perform really good. This is another side-by-side comparison between this, as you can see here. So both phones were able to produce same kind of clarity, but the colors do look better in this Mi11 smartphone. So that's what I felt. So this is another scenario where I have taken the shot in the low light mode towards the sunlight outside. You can see the difference how much it is. So one thing, if you notice quickly here, so let me try to zoom in a little bit in this image. So I'm trying to zooming here. So I just want to show you the sky looks really good in this Mi11 if you compare with this Mi10i smartphone. You can see. So overall, friends, the Mi11 is the kind of advantage in terms of having the better sensor and the big sensor as well when you compare with this small sensor in this Mi10i smartphone. But it's just a comparison, friends. It's not actual thing. No one will be buying this Mi11 depending on this camera test, but I just want to compare. Even if you're having owner of this Mi10i device, you should be still proud of having this phone because of this camera. So it's pretty much give tough competition to this Mi11 device, I would say. And thank you friends for watching this video, and don't forget to check the links in description for more videos on this live wallpapers what I'm using in this video. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.